Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Tinatet Venicare. So who you swa? A CSC ho. Emma hoye kama. Emma hoye obe moi. Na ko try she.
Thank you. Tinatet Venicare.
Tinatet Venicare is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Sorry. Oh, doc. Yes, and you book, doc. I want to know why you're doing. Who knows why she I've said, you need to Yama. No, see the young kukru. So, your stomach was out. Said the young. Had been so as I become. A damn cranny meaning said if you're be forcing a I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria when the moji.
Yeah, TD.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet Tomac and a Tinatet Malake. Famano nano ho betono.
Malake, anything at Tomac. I'm mama free.
Tinatet Malake, Eyama Ubia wenya malaria fever. Ena Tinatet Tomac mixture, Eyama Ubia wenya indigestion. Yen shishwemo so wenya malaria and sana wafa edrui. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Lovers of High Life GH. Lovers of High Life. It will be your home and I'm going to your home. And therefore, a young man almost done High Life. A cook is a bar to be amongst them social media. India. Name the back at to us. So, penny for say, as I never cry a cube in the monsieur. Timabet and idea. Me and Casamin and Ame Papa, Kwame and Purdue. Or Tete, me papa praise for Seiko fee. And I'm Pedro Seiko fee. And Nana a team would draw 3 would then catch Kwame appear the first. My name is Kwame Mickey. Any a Busia, Yana baby, SC. Me fee a grassy by yellow. So I'm Pedro and Tete Seiko fee, my man go deep into Seiko fee a chair. 7 Avia Kamaka baby, and Sesiaka. And I'm Pedro for me said, Neba. Nimbia, Bibia, a family Kwame is an ame, Mihiao, and then another number, Biagama Funi. Said, Menena, a quiet program, Bia, a bear fee, or say Doctor Son resting. And an ancha. 4 young to a tiny Gary Abamono. Timaba, Minka says, and Metia Kuya 2 Sunti. Baby, Cosa, as I'm a person, was a couple of Lovers of High Life GH, Mumra, I offer for money, Mama. Nana, about how my 1 minute. Card. Card number, I say. Who announce that? Only by a camera, why? And says our microphone, no battery. I'm into us, we are now on so to us. Let me say, can block you? So, I block you, I would appear. You, lovers of High Life GH. Lovers of High Life GH. May say, lovers of High Life Ghana. Sa equal way, ya papa, ya Diana, Kwame, and Purdue, a cajon. Nana Kwame and Purdue before say, oh, Baba Yareno. Platform so na ye na interview oye kakra no say opeso oda kakra na oda no sorry ya to aso na obi ni me pese obi o wa ha bia de ya rechichire say ukofi akona kotie na Nampadu nyum ya manua me maame a ade ato na ni kurafo utie sa anyum na oda bia utie o de be chiche owre me maame akosia Nampadu e wa ha you name it ulma amwa ha Ewa me akosua mpadu na chi ma me ne nana mpadu na di o ma echi but ye nana mpadu kra ba wi ase ne se obedi kan ja wo ho chi su kakra na ye twa so amama ho ofefo ne ma ho ofefo a wo mu etikoti se obi ani mo gina ha e Lovers of High Life GH ya de ne se High Life mpanimfo no omo hu se adwuma kakra omo ye no eto da bi ese omo ti bibi to baabi ne de kwhwe mpanimfo no na omo aye bi omo nwom ana ya nwom so na omo nam anyini aba obra bedu sabre enti no omo ankasa ana ya ne ankasa didi to ne akosra pani bi nanka du na nampadu so ena fofia ntoata nti ya ba ye kita ye nkura ye founder wa ha aye Jawusu treasure ne nasefo ena fe secretary Frank omunyina wa ha ye twen ayida no na emom de na emom sabre ye na wotweda anase adaduanan ko na nampadu ye brempon enti ye kita ye nsem 200 Ghana doko kakra ena ensue ebusua emefa na 200 no momfa ensesa monkonwa ya yebi na mompre ye ne ya damwase we are Lovers of High Life GH
yo Lovers of High Life GH Sim. Yo, yada Lovers of Ghana. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, yada masopapa. Na mesra busia force mama mademra na. Just say I don't need free answer how the bandstand. Say no, Gamro, Ghana Music Rights Organization. And a GAPI. Ghana Association of Photographic Industry. Yeah.
Photographic industry. Yes, you know, I'm vice president in Ghana. I'm saying,
Joe, enti near the Sano, young Samuel, no more than a head, but before sir, what did I cry in the other car? What the woman about Moon? No man knew about the Sansa degree over to you. Count number D 7745-13. D 7745. That's 13. And you go down.
If you say we share the baby
mo. Yes, mama rade. Enumre ya kin kansem no. Ya be ma sister Paulina ene de ya feel.
Enumre ya kin kansem no. Ya be fa free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe! Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here china who Hebrews.
Hey! Madam!
Ajenkwani. Tinatet Hayan herbal capsule. A drawing tina perwati semi. Me ready a mention glasses. Obroni besi see clear.
Aya no crow. Tinatet Hayan herbal capsules. A full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing who baby atwa for Tinatet herbal shop. Hey, now what? Tinatet Hayan. See clear.
Tinatet Edroi. FDA ahwehwem agye atum se eje.
Tribulus terrestrix, Kayani, Panex Caltrop, Jingo Bilaba. Sa wadi no ya mabobo so nyina. Eno ne ye set Tinatet 230 herbal mu. Wo ya bema na wo no mu a, emma wo hode sunkuma wo gira wo na so timi badwuma. Emma wo energy, stamina, and vitality. Emfa wo ne adwuma wo ye. Eno ne se wo benum bi. Wo be badwuma sa wo mreda. Tinatet 230 herbal. Eye yen konkwa. Power to the people. Me try 230. So I hear. What feeling? Adam, me back. Tinatet 230 herbal.
Yeah! Tinatet 230 herbal is a full supplement for rejuvenation and vitality. And no sa ebra offer sa edrowi. Oba wafa yefunu. Ne all man e banofo. Ene akola ondi emfie duoche.